Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher login error or problem. So let's begin. So here we are, and as you can see I have my Epic Games right here downloading an update. But we're not going to finish this because I am going to show you how to fix that error that you're facing. So the first thing that you need to do is go here into your taskbar, and you want to right click and you want to click on Task Manager right here. And from here in the Task Manager, you make sure that Epic Games Launcher is not running in your background. So once you find Epic Games Launcher right here on your Task Manager, you would need to click here on End Task right here. You want to select the Epic Games Launcher first, then click End Task. And after that, you want to find if there are still Epic Games that is running in your computer. So there's none already, so I can go to the next step. That step is very crucial so that we can proceed to the next one. And the next one would be going into our start menu. And from here, you want to type run, and you want to run the run app right here. So click here. And from here, you want to type the open %local update %, and then you want to click OK. And from here, you want to find the Epic Games Launcher folder, and here it is in my case, so I will be deleting this. So right click and press delete right there, and now it's deleted, and I can now go and close this one, and all I have to do is open my Epic Games Launcher again. So after that, it should be fine right here. But if it's still not working for you, then what I recommend is this next step or this next method right here. So to begin, let's again Task Manager and then end the process for Epic Games Launcher. Alright, that and end it. Right here, I still have my Epic Games Launcher in my Task Manager, and there it is, it's gone. Now what we need to do is go into our start menu and type Control Panel. And from here, we want to go uninstall a program right here, just below Programs. You want to click on this one, and you want to find the Epic Games Launcher. And here it is, Epic Games Launcher. And from here, you want to click here on Repair. For that, you want to just click on Yes when you are prompted with a yes or no choice. And please wait while Windows configures Epic Games Launcher, and all you have to do is just basically wait after it. And now that the repair is finished, now all we have to do is open our Epic Games Launcher right here, and you should not be facing any more problem. That's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.